Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of comfort food with a classic favorite, the baked potato. But we're not just talking any baked potato. We're going for perfection, crispy skin on the outside and a fluffy, melt in your mouth inside. So, grab your spuds and let's get baking. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Now, let's take a look at what we'll need. Russet potatoes, olive oil, salt, pepper, optional toppings, butter, sour cream, chives, bacon bits, cheese. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, give your potatoes a good scrub to remove any dirt. You'll want to use russet potatoes for that perfect combination of fluffy texture and crispy skin. Now, take a fork and poke a few holes in each potato. This helps steam escape during baking. Next, rub each potato with olive oil. This will give them that golden, crispy exterior. Sprinkle on some salt and pepper to taste. Place the potatoes directly on the oven rack or on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the size of your potatoes. You'll know they're done when the skin is crisp and the inside is fork tender. For an extra indulgent touch, you can brush the baked potatoes with melted butter about halfway through the baking time. This adds a rich flavor and gives the skin an even more satisfying crunch. Once they're out of the oven, let the potatoes rest for a few minutes. Then, it's time for the best part, toppings. Load them up with your favorites: butter, sour cream, chives, bacon bits, cheese. The choice is yours. And there you have it, the perfect baked potato. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and customizable with all your favorite toppings. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious creations. Until next time, happy cooking. Thanks for joining us today. If you try out this recipe, let us know how it turns out in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye!